Hey y'all, my name is Kori Ashton, and I know it is so easy to just grab that cheap hosting whenever you're registering your domain name. But I'm going to tell you right now that those low-cost, cheapy plans might actually be having a negative impact on your Google rank. I'm going to show you 5 key features that your hosting provider should have for you that the folks at TenWeb want to provide you today. Let's go take a look. All right, first thing is first, you've got to have speed. If your website is slow, Google is not gonna like it because users aren't gonna like it. So one of the best things that TenWeb offers us is the 90+ page speed. Every single plan that they offer for their hosting service is gonna guarantee that you're gonna have this 90+ page speed score. The second thing we're gonna be looking for is security. It is so important that your website has security, but that added security should actually be included in your hosting plan, not an extra annual fee. So be certain that your hosting plan provides that, just like the folks at TenWeb. Another key feature that you have to be looking for with your hosting provider is backups. Do they give you access to backups and restoration? Now, this one might not come to mind whenever you're thinking about a hosting plan, but for those of us that are trying to improve our websites, maybe we're working on things and we want to try out a new plugin or try out a different style of a theme, you want to have a staging area, somewhere that you can go tinker and play without ever having to affect the front side of your website. There are other hosting companies out there that are going to charge you for that feature. This feature is included in your plan. And lastly, one of the most important things you have to have inside of your hosting plan is support. You don't want to hear somebody say to you, oh, that's a WordPress problem, we can't help you with that. You guys, TenWeb has incredible reviews. Look at this right here. Look at this trust score, 4.9. It's just amazing how many people love the support and the products of this company. Hey, so you can also move over to TenWeb with their one-click migration tool. So don't panic about, well, how do I get over there? Click the link below, go reach out to them, get over there and let them know that Kori Ashton sent you their way. I'll see you next time, y'all. Bye.